Here is a common trap. The weather changes, the pressure drops, and you reach for extra coffee or stay indoors in dry, recycled air. But here's the reality. Weather shifts like low humidity dry out your airways, making you even more vulnerable to a trigger. Most people wait for the pain to hit before they act, but by then, the neurological cascade has already started. The trap is reacting to the pain instead of preparing the nervous system. Consistent hydration and stabilizing your sleep are your best armor against the barometric dip. Don't wait for the clouds to turn gray to start supporting your body's resilience.